Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to concatenate two different values. There are two different methods to concatenate any number. First is the formula, the function available in SQL, that is concat. Here we can see the concat. It only concatenate two different numbers. If we wanted to add more, then we use one more concatenate, that is nested one. So first let us understand about how to add two different values. So let us suppose we wanted to concatenate first and last value. So we will write concat, then first name, then use comma, then last name, and then close the parenthesis. Now run this. Now we can see here that Ellen and Abel has been concatenated. But we see that there is no space between this first name and last name. So how can we add this? To add this, we will use one more concatenate. We use concatenate first, then comma, then we will use the space and the upper concatenate. That is, whatever will come from here will again concatenate it with the last name. So now we can see here that one space that we have mentioned here has been added between first name and last name. So this is how concatenate function works. Please do remember that only two functions can be added with concat. For adding further more values, we need to use one more concatenate and we'll use the existing concatenate value as a nested one. Like here, first we add first name and a space, then we add this value with the last name. So the result was this. The another method of adding this is using the pipeline. You see, you can see this value, this character in your keyboard. So that is how we are adding this. Let us check the example. We wanted to add first name, first name, then we will use 2 times, then we will use last name. And from employees. Here we can see that these two values has been added. But again, the question was that there is no space. To add an space, we will use the same function that we did earlier. We will use single string with an space, and then again we will concatenate this. Now the value is coming as desired. Thank you for watching this. We will meet you again in the next video.